In 2006, Animal Nutry embarked on a journey defined by the core principles of quality, credibility, and trust in results. Since then, our unwavering commitment has been centered on creating value for animal production. Our mission is clear: to transform our clients' businesses and to become the worldwide leader in technical and scientific information on animal nutrition and health. The strength of Animal Nutry lies in the expertise of our co-founding members. Comprised of renowned professionals, each brings a wealth of experience and knowledge that enriches our approach. Animal Nutry stands out with its 4 robust business units. In our product research and evaluation unit, we dedicate ourselves to assessing the latest technologies alongside partner companies, whether at our research centre, production systems, or universities. In the technology development and transfer unit, we believe technological innovation is key to the future of animal production. Thus, we develop and validate pioneering technologies to enhance efficiency in production chains. Offering personalised technical and strategic support. Together, these units form the backbone of Animal Nutry. Animal Nutry, transforming science into technology to create value.